Hey friends, if you encounter CTF Loader High CPU, memory or disk usage on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check if it's a virus. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool, though this tool may need a few seconds to load. Click on next, full scan, next, and it will start scanning your system for viruses. The next one is to stop some services like the text input management service and touch keyboard and handwriting service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the text option. Okay, wait. Text input management service. Right click on it and then what do we have to do? We have to stop it if you have the option. And the next one is the touch keyboard option. Now I don't have this because I don't have a touch keyboard, but the service that you have to stop is the touch keyboard and handwriting panel. The next one is to repair system files. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And the last option is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide on Microsoft Services. If any of the service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.